How you start your day depends on how you start your morning. And how you start your morning depends on how you have planned your day to unfold. So, if you want to wake up fresh in the morning next day, it will be better if you plan it early. When we go to our bed, we should decide that tomorrow we are going to get up fresh, full of energy, and we should have purpose in our mind so that we are able to get up fresh and healthy. Make sure when you go to your bed in the evening before, decide that we will wake up fresh. We should put our alarm away from bed so that if alarm bell rings in the morning, we should be not able to switch it off. We have to move away from our bed to switch the alarm off. And when we get up, we should first take a glass of water. And then we should start our day by walking a few steps around bed. A gratitude walk. At every step, we should express our thanks and our gratitude to God for the blessings He has given to us. He has given us so many blessings. Count those blessings. Sit comfortably for some time and count these blessings which God has given. We may go to a park or a natural place. We can start our walking and making gratitude walk there. So gratitude walk is very important. We should have some relaxed breathings. We may do some yoga to start our day. And another thing we should keep in our mind is that we should be grateful for so many things God has given us. We should breathe, meditate, and affirm. Thank you, God, for waking me alive, active, and joyful. I am going to make the best of this day. You can make some your own motivation affirmations which you can repeat in the morning to start your day with motivation. Another thing is you should keep in your mind, set your intention. What you intend to do, you should decide. Decide 3 important works you want to perform today. And do those works in order of importance. You should keep your cherished vision in your mind. Set priorities and do work in order of importance. If work is big, you may divide it into a few doable chunks of 25 minutes. This is called Pomodori. Do work continuously with concentration 5-25 minutes for 25 minutes and then take rest for 5 minutes. And when work is complete, you should take another chunk of 25 minutes and complete it. Then again take rest of 5 minutes. In these 5 minutes you should take rest and you should not do any other important work. This technique is called Pomodoro technique. After doing a few chunks of work, you may take a bigger break of half an hour or so, and during this time you can relax your body, do some physical exercises. Physical exercise is also very important. It will keep you refreshed and full of energy, and chances of disease will also be reduced. Read for some time. Reading is very important to start your day. Read at least 10 pages of self-growth or motivational book. That will make a good start. Writing is also a very good habit. Write a few lines. You may write a book, start writing a book. You may write a few pages daily, or if you are not interested in writing, then you can at least start journaling. Writing a journal is very important. In this journal, you may write about your personal growth, your thoughts, your feelings, your insights, and what makes you happy. So writing is important for starting your day. You may write what you have already achieved and what you are capable of achieving. Split a page into two columns. One, lesson learned and new commitments. By writing each day, you can review what you have learned. You will gain clarity on your problems and achievements, and you can acknowledge your progress throughout the day. After setting intention, next is visualization. Visualization is also very important. You should exactly visualize how your day is going to unfold, what you are going to do in the day. You should visualize in minute detail. You should have an accountability partner with whom you may share your important things you intend to do and how and when you are going to complete them. Achieving success becomes easy if you break it into Pomodoro or doable chunks, as I have explained earlier. So this is how you can start your day. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to ask something, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be glad to respond. Thank you very much.